In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Spotify. Before we start, an important note. You can't change your Spotify password directly inside the mobile or desktop app. You'll need to use a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Once you're on a browser, there are two simple ways to handle your password, depending on whether you remember it. If you know your current password and just want to change it, head to spotify.com in your browser and log into your account. After you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From that menu, choose Account to open your account overview. On that page, find and click Change Password. You'll see fields to enter your current password and then your new password. Type your current one first, then carefully enter your new password. Make it strong by mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and avoid using something easy to guess. When you're ready, click Set New Password. That's it, your password is updated. If your browser or password manager offers to save the new password, go ahead and confirm so you don't lose it later. If you've forgotten your password and can't sign in, you'll reset it instead. Go to the Spotify login page in your browser. Under the login fields, click Forgot Your Password. You'll be asked for the email address or username linked to your Spotify account. Enter it and submit. Now, check your email inbox for a message from Spotify with a reset link. If you don't see it after a few minutes, look in your spam or junk folder and make sure you typed the correct address or username. When the email arrives, click the reset link. It will take you to a secure page where you can create a new password and confirm it by typing it again. Choose something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. After you confirm, your password is reset and you're good to go. To keep your account secure, avoid reusing passwords from other services, update any saved passwords in your devices or password manager, and keep your recovery email up to date so you can always access these links. Remember, both changing and resetting your password must be done through a web browser. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.